Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming your device supports picture-in-picture and that the app has permission to run in the background. Once confirmed, open the video and start playback so the control appears. Next, tap the P icon or use your system gesture or keyboard shortcut to shrink the player. This moves the video into a floating window. Make sure notifications won't interrupt P and adjust brightness or volume before continuing to multitask. Once the P window is active, drag it to any corner or along an edge to keep it out of your way. Many systems snap it for you. If supported, pinch to resize or use the on-screen expand control so the window fits alongside other apps. Tap the floating player to reveal playback controls like play, pause, and a return to app or full screen button. While you work, audio continues. Adjust system volume or app controls to balance sound with other tasks. To finish, tap the P window's return or full screen button to go back into the app, then stop the video if you're done. If P won't start, restart the app first. If that fails, toggle the app's P permission in settings and retry. Also check for pending system updates because P can break after OS changes. If the floating window won't move, force close background apps and reopen your Spectator app. This usually clears layout glitches and restores normal P behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.